New topic or not? We are discussing about tissue system, right? All right. Make backbone straight. Good morning, everybody. So, what is today's date? 13th Jestha, right? Oh my God, how fast it became just the 13th. So, um, today is Sunday. Sunday means fun day, is it? Yes, sir. Is Sunday fun day? What do you think? So, modern graded class 9 is here. Modern graded class 9 is not here, means we will not see this one. Okay. And we will check another one. Has it gone there? Then we'll start from here. I will just do from word. Could you remember what did we discuss last time? What was it? Sorry? Okay. So we have completed plant tissue. Yes or no? So plant tissues are mainly divided into two categories. One type of plant tissues contains cells which keep on growing. Their number increases. Means there is a cell division. What are you doing? There is cell division. Number of cells increase. But another type of plant tissues, there is no cell division. Just they are responsible for what purpose? For carrying out other function like increasing the thickness. Increasing the thickness, right? Okay. And what are the different type of plant tissues? Meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic, there is rapid cell division. Permanent tissue, there is no such type of cell division, right? And today, what are we going to discuss? About animal tissue. What do you discuss? Animal tissue. Okay. Now, sometimes what will happen, this internet becomes a bit slow, and yes, you can see here animal tissue. Yes or no? How do you define animal tissue? What's the definition? Only animals, right? Such tissues which are found in animals, right? But we discussed different type of phyla like Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nemathelminthes. These are animals. Protozoa, fungi, Monera, these are not animals. We must remember now 5 kingdoms. What are they? Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, Animalia. So such tissue system is found in Plantae and Animalia only. All right. So animal tissues are different than plant tissues. The main difference is in plant tissue there is chlorophyll or chloroplast, or they may be chromoplast, or they may be leucoplast. We have learnt about plastid. Have you learned plastid? Yes, sir. How do you define plastid? Colored material present in the cell. Okay, colored material present in the cell is plastid. There are 3 types of plastids. What are they? Chromoplast, What is first one? We have heard chloroplast. This is green in color, right? Next, chromoplast. Chromoplast. What is color? Colorful, except green. It may be red, blue, yellow, pink, purple, white, isn't it? But it's especially white color it is in leucoplast. These things remember. Okay, so we can categorize plant tissue into two types, but animal tissues into how many types? How many types? Four types. How many types of animal tissues are there? Four types. What are the four types of animal tissue? Epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connecting tissue, and sorry, nervous. Okay. So there are four types of which tissue? Animal tissue. We can see here epithelial tissue. What are they spelling? Epithelial. Epithelial. Second one, muscular. Third one, connective. Okay. And what is the fourth one? Nervous. Neural or nervous. Remember four types? Number one, epithelial. Number two, number three, number four, neural or nervous tissue. So, now epithelial tissues. So, what type of cells are found in epithelial tissues? They are attached to the basement membrane. They are attached to the basement membrane. Means they have got some sort of base. They contain some sort of base. Down, there is one membrane. Up, there are cells. And the cells face either towards a body fluid. Body fluid means body liquid, or outside the environment. Either they face downward or they face upward. So you can check in your skin. At the outer surface, there are tissues. Which tissues are these? Epithelial tissues. What are here? Epithelial tissues. Outside of cheek, what is there? Epithelial tissue. Inside of cheek, what is there? Epithelial tissue. And the epithelial tissues are there also. That's why they just face either upward or downward. Like we have got nostril. Outside of nostril, what is there? Inside of nostril also, what is there? Epithelial tissues. Understood or not? Remember. So, especially their duty is to provide covering. They cover other tissues. They cover other tissues. But they have got other functions also. Not only covering, especially they do 5 type of functions. How many? 5. Are they given here? Any 5? What are they? Protection. Number 1 is protection. Number 2, secretion. Number 3, excretion. Number 4, absorption. Number 5, covering. Yes or no? What are they? Once again, let's write here. What are the 5 functions? Functions of them are covering. Next one, protection. Next one, secretion. Next one, excretion. And next one, absorption. See, name is epithelial tissue, but functions are many more. Covering, protection, secretion, excretion, and absorption. Secretion, okay. Covering means they cover others. Protection, they protect the tissues from heat, cold, or other things. Excretion, they throw out waste materials. Excrete means throw out waste materials. Secretion, they produce some chemicals. For example, Now your nose is dry or wet? Dry. Sometimes you suffer from running nose. You say, sir, I'm suffering from common cold, right? In common cold, what happens? Some tissues, they become active and they produce liquid. Are you feeling very hot or not? Yes, it's very hot. And so let me use this fan. So this sweat is also produced because of what? Secretion. It secretes something. And what is next one? Absorption. Absorption means it absorbs some substances. Uh, you eat different type of food. When it reaches in your alimentary canal, it gets digested or not. It gets digested means it is converted into simpler and soluble form. And that thing is absorbed by epithelial tissues. Sometimes you suffer from headache, extreme headache. Then you take some medicine. Medicine is eaten here. It goes inside. It is digested. And again, that is absorbed and it reaches in head and you get relaxed. That is the mechanism. Okay. Next thing we have to remember, these epithelial tissues, they contain layer. What do they contain? Layer. The main characteristic of epithelial tissue is they are attached to basement membrane. What is the first point? They are attached to basement membrane. Number second, they contain single layer or many layers. Single layer or many layers. Children, look at here. Here are given the figures of epithelial tissues. How many figures are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are single layered epithelial tissues. What are they? Like you can see, here are flat cells, here is base. Here are cells, here is base. This red color, have you seen or not? That is the base. Here. They are attached to it. These are the cells. These yellow colored cells make epithelial tissue. These yellow colored cells make epithelial tissue. This also epithelial tissue, but connected with this some base. They are connected with base. Here also, a bit elongated cells are here, right? And base lies down. Base lies down. So this is the whiteboard. This is not whiteboard. This is smart board as well, right? So it is connected with this base or not. If this base is removed, then will it stay here? In the same way, in epithelial tissues also, there must be some base, some support. Okay? And what type of cells are found in epithelial tissue? What type of cells are there? They are either polygonal. Either polygonal. Polygonal means polygon. Have you heard about polygon? Like when we join four sides, it is called square. And what is this? Quadrilateral. Having four sides, right? Polygon means having more than four sides. Polygon, many sides. Like their shape may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that. But you must not think that their shape is like geometrical shape, exactly geometrical shape, right? Polygonal, cuboid. Cuboid, the duster is in the form of cuboid or elongated. Okay? And here are some elongated long. Elongated means longer one. Students, now look at here. The different type of epithelial tissues are, what are they? Squamous or pavement epithelium, cuboid, columnar, okay. So again, they are categorized into ciliated and glandular. Mainly there are three types. What are they? Squamous, cuboidal and columnar. But cuboidal and columnar are again modified into ciliated and glandular. Can you see your hair-like structure? So these are ciliated. Cilia, short hairs are present in them. Paramecium contains cilia, but that cilia is for locomotion. But these cells, they cannot move from one place to another. Can they? They cannot. Okay, anyway, we have to remember here 5 types of epithelial tissue. What are they? Squamous, cubical, squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated and glandular. Now I will give you some tasks to do. Everybody, please read. Okay, not everybody. Group A, you read squamous epithelium. Group B, cubical or cuboidal. Group C, columnar. Group D, glandular. Okay. Group D, intercellular matrix. Intercellular matrix means there are 2 cells, right? In between 2 cells, there is some substance present in it that is called intercellular matrix. Okay, so groups. Did you hear what I said you to do? Group A will read squamous epithelium. Group B, cuboidal. Group C, columnar. Group D, glandular. And yes, why not? You have to read that also. And group E, here is group E also, right? Group E will read muscular tissue up to here. Okay, your time starts now. After 5 minutes, we will be discussing individually. Right? Okay, Anmol. If you are reading, please read with little bit sound and mark the important lines, important words. Group A, where is Group A? Okay, Group A. What are the major points of squamous epithelium? Please tell me. So we'll discuss and then go again.
It is made of flat cells.
Flat cells. It is made of flat cells. Those flat cells are like the tiles of our bathroom tiles, right? Okay, next one.
Pavement squamous epithelium may be single or multi-layered.
They may be single layered or multi-layered. They may contain only one layer or many layers. Single layer means only one side there is presence of cells. Multi-layers means there are cells present in different layers. Okay.
Multi-layered pavement epithelium is also known as stratified squamous epithelium.
Okay.
It is mainly concerned with protection and filtration.
Okay. So 4 things they have found. Squamous epithelium. What do they say? What type of cells are present there? Flat cells. They may be irregular or polygonal, and they may be single layered or multi-layered. So see, this is single layer. 1, 2, 3. Only one row there is presence of cells, but there may be more layers as well, and their main function is protection and filtration. Filtration means just like to filter the things, like we drink water or some soup, this and that. When it is digested, then it reaches in kidney and slowly it is filtered. Useful things, they go in our body, harmful things come down. Okay, that is filtration. Now it's the turn of group B. Group B, and listen, children, you must not forget to underline or highlight the main points. Then during the time of examination or before examination, especially before examination, it is very useful for you. You can give a glance upon it and do it. Don't highlight everything. If you highlight everything, then what you read. Main points you highlight. Eh? Now, okay, Group B. Who are the members of Group B? Group B. Okay, Simre, Bires is saying. Okay, what are they? Yeah, they are composed of cube-shaped cells. Cube means very simple. Okay, so just what you can do, you can zoom also, eh? Remember, cube-shaped cells. Next one, ducts of glands, uterus, respiratory tubes, and yeah, nephrons. Nephrons. Nephrons are the structural and functional unit of kidney. The kidney filters our blood. Yes or no? So filtration work is done by it. Okay. And what are the major functions here? Protection, secretion, and absorption. So we have to remember the cells of squamous epithelium, they are flat, irregular, but the cells of cubical or cuboid epithelium are cube-like. Okay, like cube. See this one, multi-layered. There is single layer or multi-layer? Single layer, only one layer is present. Okay, it's finished. Now it's a turn of Group C. Group C, what do you say about it? About a cubical columnar epithelium.
It is composed of single layer of tall and slender cells.
Single layer of tall and slender cells. See, so tall cells are here, right? Tall cells are present, right?
Found at the inner ening of the stomach and the intestine.
Yeah, they are found in stomach and intestine. Hello, where are they found? Stomach and intestine. Focus on study. Pay attention. Otherwise, there will be tension, right? Next one.
Main function of columnar epithelium are
Secretion and absorption. So, some filtration, some secretion, some absorption. See, the tissues, no, means the cells present here and here and here are same or different? Totally different. Okay. Intestine is like elementary canal. We say small intestine, large intestine. That is intestine. Okay. Is it all right about column epithelium?
and the structure present in columnar epithelium are the cilia.
Okay. In columnar epithelium, there is presence of hairy structure that is called cilia, and those type of epithelial tissues are called ciliated epithelium. If there is no hair, they are simply columnar epithelium. If there is hair-like structure, what are they called? Ciliated epithelium. Okay, ciliated
Tends to move particles in a particular direction inside the duct.
inside the duct. So these ciliated epithelium tissues are especially found in our esophagus, where when we chew food, then our mouth and teeth and tongue, they help to convert complex food into simpler one, means big particles into simpler one. Then it forms like small ball of food, and it goes slowly inside, and it moves from top to bottom with the help of ciliated epithelium. They help to move the particles down. Duct means pipe. Duct means pipe. Like our mouth, contains, from mouth one pipe begins. No, it goes down, and this comes like this, and at last here is anus. From anus, it comes out. We just put food over here in mouth. It is digested, goes here. Here is stomach also. What is this? In stomach it
There is
digests.
no probability that
It will be probably no. It lies inner to our body. That's why there is no probability of cutting. But if somebody cuts this one using some item, then why not? It will be cut. Sometimes there may be accidents, right? At that time it may be there. Or sometimes what will happen? There may be problem in the duct, and it must be cut and changed also. Okay. Now whose turn? Whose turn? Group D. Who are the members of Group D? Okay. About you. You tell me.
They are modified as columnar and cuboidal.
They are modified as columnar and cuboidal epithelium. Okay.
They can secrete muscle saliva, erects meat, and then
Means this glandular epithelium, they contain the cells similar to columnar epithelium and cuboidal epithelium, but they can do special work. They can secrete, they can produce mucus. Singan, you know singan is area. Saliva, coming now. Earwax, yeah, inside the ear. Milk, cow, or the lady who has given birth to baby recently. Enzymes. Enzymes are some chemicals produced inside our body. Later on, we will be discussing about endocrine gland. In this class, who is the tallest one? Please sit down. Who is the tallest in this class? Arush is tallest? Who is dwarfest? Deepak? Who is the dwarfest one? You is dwarfest? This is dwarfest? Okay. Tall? Okay, Deepak is tallest. Okay, Deepak is tallest means his body has produced more hormones, growth hormone. That's why he's very tall. And in Desara's body, less growth hormone is produced. That's why she has grown a bit slowly. Okay, remember. So, etc. And they are found in glands. Look at here. These long cells, these are the cells of glandular epithelium, and from here, from these things, some things are secreted, they produce. These goblet cell, remember, goblet cells are responsible for producing chemicals. Once again, let's remember 4 types of epithelial tissues: squamous or pavement, cuboidal or columnar. Next, no, first one squamous, second one cubical or cuboidal, next one columnar, and fourth one glandular. Okay, so which tissues we have studied? These all are single layered. There is only one layer of cells. Okay, one layer of cells. Now it's a turn of group E. Where is group E? Okay, group E. What are you going to tell Babu about? Muscular tissue. Okay, muscular tissue. Tell me, Babu. So, muscular tissues contain fibers. Fibers. Okay, long thread-like structures. See, these are fibers, right? Next one.
These fibers are composed of numerous fibers.
I will call myofibrils. So these long are fibers. Now individual, small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these small particles are present here or not? These are called myofibrils. What do you call them? Myofibrils. Then
They may be nucleated or multinucleated.
so they contain either single nucleus. Here is one nucleus, one nucleus, one nucleus. But some contain, see, some if there is presence of 2 nucleus, what is it called? Multinucleated. One nucleus is present, single nucleated. Main nuclei are present, multinucleated. Okay.
The tissue has large intercellular spaces and they are adapted for construction and relaxation.
Yes, you remember here. These tissues, muscular tissues, can contract and relax. Contract and relax. Expand and contract. Okay. These muscles, see. Now contraction. Relaxation. It has become loose. Contraction. A bit hard or not? That is contraction and relaxation. That is possible only in muscular tissue.
These tissues structures of muscles move the body to adjust to the changes in the environment and to maintain the function of various parts of the body.
Okay, because of this contraction and relaxation property, our body is capable of adjusting in the environment. Can you run or not? Can you jump or not? Can you catch the things or not? Can I slap you or not? But I'm not going to slap right now. Because for slapping, see, many more muscles must be active. A person who is suffering from paralysis, can he slap? Because there is no movement of muscles as well. Yes or no? Remember these things. And how many types of muscular tissues are there? Three types of muscular tissue. What are they? Skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Okay, once again, let's recap. What did you discuss? What is it today? Tell me. Sorry? We discussed about animal tissue. We started animal tissues. Now let me make a chart of animal tissue, okay? So this chart shows different type of animal tissue. First is, what is that? Epithelial tissue. Second one, muscular tissue. Third one, connective tissue. Next one, what are the different types of epithelial tissue? Squamous, then cubical, columnar. Fourth one, glandular. Four types are here, right? And how many types of muscular tissues are there? Three types. What are they? Skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal, smooth, and cardiac, right? Connective tissue, three types. What are they? Proper connective tissue, fluid connective tissue, hard connective tissue. Hello. Remember this thing, eh? This chart is very important. Proper connective tissue, hard connective tissue, fluid connective tissue. Proper connective tissues are of four types. What are they? Ligament, tendon, adipose, areolar. Oh my God. See? Ligament, tendon, adipose, areolar. Fluid connective tissue, there are two types. Blood. What is next one? Limb. Blood and limb. Hard connective tissue also are of two types. Yeah, cartilage and bone. That's right. Cartilage and bone. And nervous tissues, there are only one type. Okay? So I think it's not given many more types. Remember, what are the different types of animal tissue? And epithelial tissue are of how many types? Squamous, cubical or columnar, and cubical or cuboidal, columnar and glandular. Muscular tissues, skeletal. But one thing remember, skeletal muscular tissues are also called striated muscle. What are they called? Striated muscle. Smooth muscles are also called unstriated or involuntary muscle. Voluntary muscle, they have got different names. And connective tissues are of three types. What are they? Proper, fluid, hard. Proper, ligament, tendon, adipose, areolar. Fluid, blood, limb. Hard, cartilage, bone, and nervous tissue only. Okay, so this much. Everybody, now read up to nervous tissue. In next period, we are going to discuss up to there today. Is that clear? All right. Thank you.